This is my insert that I purchased from Etsy for my Mulberry Darley Mini. So it should be kind of little, and it is. That's what this is. You can get these from Etsy to fit your bag exactly. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But they're usually close. You have to reshape them. They come in a bag, so they've been flattened out, and so it does take a little bit to kind of get it back into the shape it needs to be. This one has quite a bit of organization. It's got a zipper pocket, 3 slip pockets. So to be so tiny, it's got quite a bit of organization. So I'm kind of excited about using this. So this is the bag that I am putting it in. It is the Mulberry Darley in the mini size. I like these because they kind of help it retain its structure, and they keep me from damaging these expensive bags. So I'll take the chain out. I already have an insert in here that belongs in the Chanel WOC. These bags are almost the exact same size as the Chanel WOC, but that one is a little bit bigger, but I was able to just cut that one a little bit and make it fit. But this only protects the bottom and the sides, and I really wanted the entire inside protected because I use this like a daily bag when I'm on vacation. But that one's handy if you don't like a complete insert. You can just use it. Yeah, see, it is a little bit smaller. This one actually may be too small. It was supposed to be custom made for this bag, but quite often they say that and they're not exactly right. It fits in here well. It's a little bit too small, but I guess they're allowing room for it to squish up on the sides, but that's not what I really want. I really wanted it to maintain the structure. It's a little too high also, but I think that's because it's bowed at the bottom because it's been in an envelope. So will close, but I'll be able to mash that down and get it in there correctly. But these are great because now I can put chapstick and lipstick, and I don't have to worry about the bag being messed up. If something leaks out, felt just absorbs anything that you spill in your bag. Definitely going to have to get it mashed down further though, because it is a little hard to close with it sticking up above the top. Yeah, the one I had in there was a little bit shorter also. Okay, I've taken it out. I did verify it does fit this bag. It is just the bottom is bowed a little from being in that envelope. So I'm just need to just kind of fix the bottom of it so that it's in better. There we go. Okay, now it's the right height. Usually I added a little box to the bottom here to kind of reshape this, and it seems to be doing the trick. It's closing easily now, and the bag is protected. The box is pushing on the sides here, but that's the box, and I'm actually okay with that. I do not like this zipper that's on this insert, though. I'm afraid it's going to scratch the top of my bag, so I'm going to have to really be careful. One of the reasons I like this bag more than the Chanel WOC is the Chanel has that zipper, and I don't like that, but I'll just have to pay attention. Now I'm just going to slide it back into its dust bag, and I just store the felt liner in my bags. I've never had any trouble doing that.